I just finished blow drying my hair and putting on my makeup, and I wanted to share with you one of the newer products that I've been testing out for a few months now that has really made a huge difference in keeping my hair growing super long, but not just growing long, because long hair doesn't necessarily mean healthy hair, but growing super full and thick and dense. And I actually just got probably, I'd say, 3 or 4 inches chopped off of my hair. It wasn't a good haircut, but thankfully, since it's long, I'm kind of able to mask. I mean, she literally just went straight across, but that's okay. I will wait until I go back to my hairdresser in the United States and have her fix it. A few years back, I shared some photos, I'll pop them up here, of my hair was just falling out. It was thinning. It was still long, but I had so many sparse areas in my scalp. And so I realized that I didn't need to keep concentrating so much on the ends of my hair, which of course, you know, I still do. I still do things for all of my hair, but I really started focusing more on my scalp. My hair's just done a total turnaround. So I have tested a ton of different products, and a lot of them I think were terrible, and then a lot of them worked really well to help my hair to regrow when it was falling out. Now, if you want a detailed hair video of what I do from start to finish with my hair, how I style it, how I color my own hair at home, all of that, I have a super duper detailed video that I will pop up on the screen here. So if you just look up here right now, there will be this little bar that pops up. But I just wanted to share with you one product that has made a huge difference in the health of my scalp, and also has really helped to make my hair grow super full and thick and dense. Like, I have a lot more hairs than what I used to have, and I noticed it all started when I started using this product right here. This is by the brand Virtue. This is their Flourish Density Booster Hair Serum. It says it's supposed to stimulate, strengthen, and thicken the hair. And number one, what I love about it is, do you see how big this bottle is compared to so many other scalp products? So many other scalp products come in just a little small bottle. This is a good 4 ounces versus 1 ounces that a lot of the other scalp products are on the market. And all I do is I just use like 3 or 4 sprays on each area of my scalp. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then I just kind of massage it in. This isn't the only product I've been using from this brand. I've been using their shampoo, their conditioner, and I've also been using their hair mask. Now, this is not sponsored. This is not an ad. I paid for all of these with my own money, but I wanted to share this because I think that this is something, especially if you're dealing with menopausal hair loss, I think this is something you might really like. I've had really great results with this, but it has a lot of really good studies that back this up. Also, this is a drug-free product. It was made in the United States, but this has a lot of really great ingredients in it, and I'm just going to read to you a couple of the studies that they did. This says 100% of the women that tried this said that their existing hair grew faster. This also says that 97% of the women that tried this saw new hair growth. That's another thing. I see new sprouts growing all the time. I feel like I have more hair growth, more the numbers of hair growing on my head now that I've been using this product than what I had happening before. And then it says 94% of the women said their hair looks fuller and they have more volume, and 91% of the women that use this saw less fallout. So if your hair is starting to shed or you're noticing it falling out more, this might be something that you want to try. One thing that I found to be really interesting with this product that I discovered after I'd already started using it is I was watching a dermatologist, but she was showing a comparison of a study that they did of this drug-free product compared to the 5% minoxidil. In their studies, they showed that the participants that used this drug-free product compared to the minoxidil, they had pretty much the exact same hair growth and the numbers of hair on their head. I think that they showed that they had more hair growth with this. So in my opinion, I'd rather use a product that's a drug-free product, not a chemical-free product, but a drug-free product, versus using the minoxidil. And I shared this in a lot of other videos, but not only do I focus on my scalp, but I also do focus on my ends. But my scalp to me is the most important. It's kind of like planting a garden. You know, you can have the most expensive, the most amazing flowers or crops, but if the soil, if the soil isn't right, then of course your crops are going to be crappy. So I really want to keep my scalp or my soil super duper healthy so that my crops, my hair will grow super long and healthy. Before I wash my hair, almost every single time, except for when I use like K18 or some type of a bond repair product, I will always put oil on the mids to the ends of my hair before I wash my hair. This is one of my favorite ones. I'm going to link it down below. This is super duper inexpensive. So if you're looking for a really inexpensive product in a nice big bottle that is great for hair growth and is really good to oil your scalp, and you can oil all of your hair with it, I just use maybe about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. of this, and then I just wash it out and then condition as normal. But this is one that I really, really like. So that is something that I notice really keeps my hair healthy and prevents it from breaking off and, you know, getting all damaged in the shower. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you been dealing with any hair loss or thinning hair? And if there's any products that you have used or maybe your doctor has recommended using, leave those comments down below, because I know that that can be really helpful for other gals who are also dealing with hair loss as well. And if you wanted to see that other detailed hair video, I will pop that video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.